Welcome back. So this is what I do. I got the oil filter and I put the miles into it and the date on the oil filter. So that way, when the next oil change I do it, I already know when I did it. So in about 3,000, 4,000 miles, I need to do the oil change, which it will be 190. 190 will be my next oil change. 0.816 miles. That will be my next oil change. So I already put the oil pan bolt back again. Now I need to do is change change the oil filter, and that's gonna be our next goal. So let's continue doing that. Okay, me. So that will be our next thing to do. Oh, have no space. So that's what happens sometimes. You get no space. So that means you have to kind of figure it out yourself. How you gonna do this? I'm even getting it. Hey, I'm not even getting it. I'm not even getting it. I'm sorry about that, guys. My camera keeps moving back and forth, so that Alright, so I guess the camera doesn't want to stand today, which is good for me. So this is the plan right now. We're gonna get these off. We're gonna get it changed, and then gonna put it back in there. You know, all the stuff. Let the oil drain from there, and then keep doing it. What we gotta do, and then so let's see. It's not even tight enough, so. By the way, I use this STP oil filter. That's the one I use all the time when I do my oil changes. That's the one I use. So you can see that I use like any brand, and it doesn't matter if it's Castro or Pennzoil, Valvoline, or whatever they call it. I use it. I don't care. Now we gotta let it drain. So let me see. My next oil change supposed to be 180 87,000 miles. I was 185, but because I used uh, a dinner oil, I knew my oil burned faster, so I know that for sure. I usually use 2050, 1040, or a little higher than that, but I never used 1020 or 1030. Especially for this motor that has almost 190,000 miles on the engine. I usually use a little stronger, but that's what I bought, the STP treatment oil, for the same reason, because that way if something goes wrong with the Walmart oil, I can just back it up with the STP treatment. So we're letting these drain. I don't want to take it off. It's gonna be like a mess for sure. I know that for sure. Let me see another turn. Come on, come on, come on, come on, wherever you are. All right, so we got these out. Let me just find out. Putting the camera down.